Jackson really wants to crawl over and get the kitty, but he can't figure it out. And she is not impressed. Well, that's the couch. How are you going to get around that? Okay. Now you're further away from her than when you started. I think she's mocking you. She doesn't think you can get her. Jackie. Jackie boy. You better get that kitty. Hey. Oh! Good try. I don't think you're going to get the kitty today. We'll try again tomorrow. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey, good effort. Say bye-bye. It's nap time.